Every enemy in your life, call them off. Call them out of your life. Oda aware o isanoko dudu ebo pa ina ari ma egi anwe. O wenu wenwe nu aya bi gbe ni ya e. Me dangbo we. Una ma gi agbe. Agbon ti azen ti oso. When they cannot succeed in your life, they start calling you names. Believe me, as far as the God is with you, you are doing the right thing. Your enemy will always be behind you. Happiness is good. Be happy. Be happy. When you are happy, you will always be happy the way you are praying. You will always be happy with people. You will always do what is right, say what is right, love one another, be your brother's keeper. Huh? When your enemy cannot succeed in your life, they start calling you names. Huh? When they have done so many wrong things in their life, here in the church, in the Bible, I can't believe it's not everything you hear, you will believe. It's not even when you know that sin is believing. Every preacher tells a story. It's you that do that wrong thing. It's you that did it. So why tricking while lying when you know that you are just telling the whole world that you are a big liar, making people to know who you really are, that you are not kind of person, you are not that kind of person that is very honest and sincere. People that know the right thing to do at the right time, they will always pray for people that is evil to change. They can never support evil. You can't be doing nasty thing and a dirty thing, disrespecting people because you want the things of the world. What will it profit you when you get the whole world? If you know who you are, you know you are sent, you will know that those things are nothing. You will do, you will obey what sent you, why you are sent, the right thing to do, and let that bless you, and let the gods bless you. Doing what you don't supposed to do, inventing, creating, lying, these are the part of the negative things. Because some people think the way they are overdoing things, that is the only thing, lying, faking, doing things to have more popular, to be popular, to have more viewer, disrespecting, tricking, and then buying like and comment and try to do one thing or the other that can make you special. No. Who is really special, who is gifted, is from inside. Those people like that, you will never know, you can never identify. Even when the enemy know, they will use the umbrella to cover that person. The gods will protect that person so that it can never come close. It will always be behind that person. It's not how far, it's how well. Everything is possible. But when they don't ask you to do it and you cross the line, you have already break your promise. Until they direct you, they ask you to do it, they can protect you so that nothing will go wrong. You know, there are a lot, this is a physical world. There are people that lying, jealousy. There are so many evil. You can't compare spiritual one and physical. People that dwell in flesh, that is why you see most of them, they make mistake. Those who are dwelling in spirit, they always adjust their mistake before it becomes worse. That is why you need to put your shame aside and say the truth and do what is right. All those things can make the light in you be growing more and more. The power in you be growing more and more. Light and darkness can never be together. Your enemy can be jealous, planning evil against you, but they may come in one way, they will fling in different ways. In different ways. Light, when it appears in darkness, the darkness will disappear. It's not those who are called Lord, that will enter paradise. Mind is church, pure heart. So many evil people that pretend they are Christian. There are so many people that does not go to church, they can never harm a fly. Because many are called, few are chosen. Happiness is very good. When you are happy, you will always know the right thing to do at the right time. You will always be happy with one another. Do what is right for one another. Some people have done evil things in their life. They are just trying to blame people. Wishes cannot stop his blessing. The blessing of God is given to me. The blessing of the enemy is given to me. When you know you are the witches and the wizards by yourself, you are the one stopping your blessing. How can you be doing evil then you think good thing will come out from it? Be honest and be sincere and do the right thing. Everything will be okay. Good go with good, evil go with evil. What you sow is what you will reap. It's just like that. The problem about some people out there, they feel pompous, so proud when they do something wrong. They try to walk away from that wrong thing. When you know that wrong thing will be there, you are the one that did it. No matter where you run to, that mistake will still be there. Why can't you adjust the mistake before it's too late? No matter what it takes. That is why evil is not good. It's easy to destroy. To build, that is a problem. You should be controlling the words you speak out of your mouth, because it's easy. The things you say wrong can come back to hurt you. Okeke no manye no women say why wo ko ro le ki ado man wo no do amen de enu wo we di aye okeke no ro le yo ko ni re wa ne ana ka we ona le ne mi dan emi dan ma e ma ye mi so ma se benu ya we mi so we mi no keke he uso e ga no we ni ere ve gwale we iya hia veve ni your enemy will be tormenting because of the evil they plan against you. They will be crying without you are touching them, without you are beating them. They will always be behind you. It's not how far, it's how well. Because when you create something in the wrong thing it will go. Wrong thing will go. When you do something in the wrong way it will go. Good can never be evil. Good is good, evil is evil. I work in that desk here. Me no even wa process oba na ma na ibode ni re o ma we me wa mi ekwe wo ko no wa hu very simple na ya ta o bielele lo to wo ko we ma wa yi o wa na igbara agbare mi opa sunu o ma mi ekwe ga ivun to o kan na mi ekwe